Good morning. Have you eat breakfast? Huh? Uy, auntie asking you. Oh, you still have food. Too many. Why are you waiting there? There's no any food. Only that color. Huh? Finish that food. Still too many, oh. There's no any color. Just only that. You eat that. Nako, ka nag-iinarte. Huh? You must to eat that. You don't like that food? Nako po. You see? You're so naughty. You want some more food. You can eat that. You must to finish that. Huh? She want the other one food. They have mix of white meat. Don't be naughty. Don't be maarte. Okay? Too much food, you become watermelon. Look at your body, oh. You must to finish your food. Bay hinay-hinay lang. Mabulunan ka.